Good evening, sir. Wait, I'm the first. I'm the first of the class. Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good evening, sir.
What?
Good evening, sir.
Oh, okay. Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Yes, sir.
sir.
I'm the first of the class.
All of us joined.
Hey, I found what is written on Kongwell signed. It's written music disc.
Oh, now only you're seeing that. Hey, Kongwel is so smart. He looked behind to see what's written there. So you can start there.
We just finished
Okay,
the
you can
physics
see
class
this?
of maths.
You can see
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. We
So,
look at the
Gaurav still
few.
didn't join.
Yeah.
So we did
In
this
last
some
class,
No, but we
in
didn't do
last
this.
class we did three scenarios, right?
Yes,
Four,
sir.
sir. Four.
Yeah, we
We
did four.
did three.
We did
This
four,
one is
sir.
four.
Yeah, we only did
No,
three. We only did three. Just part 4 and we did 3.
Hmm. In part four, there were three scenarios. We will see some more today.
Okay.
All right.
So should we do this now?
sir.
Yeah, try it. Try it.
What?
Uncle,
Sir, what is the
7,024
word
minus
after
64?
it? So, what's the word
Uncle
after
and
it?
Nitish.
So,
You
what
can
is
put
the
on your
word
vid-
after it?
After
It.
Amounts.
Okay.
it amounts to
Wait, sir. I'll draw
6,272
those
rupees.
lines you tell us to do, sir.
So the situation is like this.
So there's a principal amount, and after 2 years, it becomes 6,272.
Yeah.
And in 3 years, it
No,
becomes.
at the end of second year only, the amount will be
Yeah, yeah.
6,200.
And after 3 years, it will be 7,002 and 7,024.
24.64.
In 3 years. Find the rate of interest and sum of money.
Yes.
So the sum of money in the first year. The first time I put
Every
it.
year.
Find
Oh,
the
okay,
rate
yeah,
of
the first year.
interest.
First year.
Sum of money is this. Yeah, the
So
one
sum
which
of
is
money.
here.
Okay.
Principal amount.
Yes, sir.
You can put on your videos.
Is it point
I can't
64?
do it, sir.
I forgot, sir.
Sir, I can't.
Sir, is it
Yeah,
point
this
64?
computer, sir.
7,034.64.
Yes.
What do you mean, sir? That's the end amount.
24.64.64. Tish and Tarun, you can also put on your videos.
Sir, I can't turn on my video, sir. In this computer, I don't have a webcam, sir.
Oh, okay. What about you?
So if I turn on my video, you will only see a black screen. So for the principal of the third year, it will be the difference between the amount of third year and amount of second year, right, sir?
Why?
So because the principal of third year is equal to like the amount amount plus principal is the amount is equal to principal plus the interest. Oh wait, I forgot about that. Okay, sorry.
Yes, interest accrued in that year.
Yes, sir. So the principal of the third year will be 6,272, right?
Exactly. Because it is
Ah.
compound interest, so this amount will be taken as the principal amount for.
I have to subtract that with the third year's amount, and I'll get the interest. Sir.
The interest of year 2.
Yes.
I
You
mean,
can
interest
get-
of
Interest. You won't get the rate of interest.
you get the interest.
You'll get
So
the interest,
in-
not the rate of interest.
I can find the rate of interest with that.
So see, for third year, the situation will be amount which we already know is 7024.64. Principal we know 6,272. Interest for the third year is A is equal to P plus
A
I
minus
M.
B.
752.64, sir.
6,024.64 minus 6,272 comes as 752.
52 minus, sorry, 0.64.
This is the interest which you gained during the third year, right?
Yes, sir.
So now I can
We-
find the rate of interest, right, sir?
How do you find?
Sir, because to find the rate of interest, like normally to find this interest, I have to to find the interest, I have to like use the formula principal into rate of interest into the 1 year divided by 100. So instead of taking, if I transpose the rate of interest and I have the interest I got on the third year, I can use the formula P into P into CI divided by 100. I'll get R, right, sir? Is that the formula?
We need not go to that much difficulty. It's simple thing. See, you are growing from an amount this to this direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So we have to do it the opposite way.
On the 1st January of that year, you are at the 0%. On the 31st December of the third year, you are at the 100%. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is 0% and this is 100%. I want to know where is 752.64 plus 6,272.
Like 100%.
So what I am looking at 6,272 plus 72. What is 752? What is this number?
7,024.64.
That is 100%, right?
Yes, sir. That's 100%.
Yes, sir.
So it means that 7,024 can be written as 272 plus
Plus 7.
52.64. So this can be written as 0. 6272 plus 0. 6272 plus 752.64. Correct?
Yes, sir.
0% is equivalent to 0 here, and 100% is equivalent to 52.64.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
To know the percentage, we just see in this rate of interest is equal to 752.64 divided by 6,272 into 5.
Oh my god. Okay, okay.
So then it will become 75,264 by
Why are you doing so complicated?
6 lakh. Oh, sorry.
Just
Like
first
what?
divide it and
No.
then multiply it by 0.
It's in decimal, right? Anyways, you have to multiply it to divide it.
So this is 752.64 divided by
According to board mass rule, you have to first
272.
divide it.
That's so this.
This will come as
So,
12%.
So 12%.
Yes.
12, sir.
So when we say rate, we always assign the sign percentage.
Sir, but doing like this is wrong, right? So you have, according to DMAS, you have to first divide it. Then you have to multiply it.
It is always same in this case. Yes.
Oh, okay. Sometimes it's wrong, right? So that's why.
Mhm. If you want, you can put percentage symbol here also. Understandable?
yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Let's see one more.
So once again, I finish it.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Once again, add up.
So flip the page, sir.
Yes, sir, you can flip the page, sir, because I'm not as slow as some.
So scenario number 5.
You actually did it.
Yeah, I actually did it.
This is also compound interest. The compound interest is calculated annually
To be
at
I love the chair.
10%. At 10% on a certain amount of.
Yeah, we didn't even find the final sum.
Oh
you
yes,
found that
yes.
12%.
There was one more
Hey.
thing, right?
Yeah,
Right,
oh,
there was
yeah,
one more.
principal.
Sum of money.
Yes, yes, correct.
So we can
Principal
find
amount.
this, with okay, we can't.
Sir, but we
No,
just do
no.
that again and again and go backwards, right, sir?
So what do you say? How to find the initial principal amount for the first year?
Mm.
So let's make a new picture and then see. Picture is like this. You know what happens at the second year? This is 6272. You know what happens at the third year? Initially and finally. The amount is 7024.64. I know the interest which is happening at 12% every year. And this year we got the amount as 52.64.
So we have to subtract 12% of 6272 to get the principal of year 2.
So this will also be 12%. This will also be 12% to get the initial amount. That is the remaining.
Sir,
Yes,
is it
sir.
compulsory to represent like this, like on a graph?
No,
Why,
it is not compulsory, but it is convenient. You can choose any
Simple
other
to
method which you
understand.
want.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell what is the principal amount for first year?
So what did you ask?
Principal amount for first year.
Sir, it's 6272 minus
One
12%
second,
of that.
Ra.
I told to like tell formula.
6272 minus 12% of that will be this thing.
Yes, so that's what I said.
And that thing will be this thing. But I want the star.
Wait, how do I find? I don't even know the compound interest for the second year, right?
You do
How?
12%. Because
So
interest
I
will
know that
always remain.
the 12%, sir. Sir, the rate of interest is 12%, sir. But without the compound interest, I can't find it, right, sir?
So what is rate of interest
12%.
for the third year? And in the question you see, it is compounded annually. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So it is a reverse situation. It is telling you that the rate of interest for third year is 12%. So it is understandable that every year the rate of interest is 12%.
No,
Compounded
no, so
annually.
the rate of interest is the same, sir. But the amount for the second year is 6272.
Yeah.
So if I
Amount for
subtract the
second year.
amount for the second year and the principal, I'll get the what is this? The compound interest for the second year. Right, sir?
Yes.
Sir, but
So
without the
Sir,
principal,
again getting 752.64.
wait, sir, without the principal, how do I find like the compound interest or the principal, sir? I need any one, right, sir?
yes.
I can't find the principal for second year without the compound interest.
So you have a mechanism. See, I'll show you how to do. Let's say it was 1,000 rupees in starting and compounded 10%. Correct? So how much you will get at the end of this
1100.
year?
1100. 1100.
1100. Now suppose that you did not know 1,000 rupees. You know only 10% and 1100. How will you get 1,000 rupees? 1100 minus 10% of 1100. 10% of
Sir, but then for the second year, I'm getting minus 752.6 for the same thing.
So
It's
you
correct.
did like 1100 minus 10 by 100 will give you the principal.
minus 10 by 100 of what? Of actually the amount. 1,000 rupees. But we don't know in this case.
Yeah.
So still, how can we tell? That is what is the question. We can't tell. That's what you are saying.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying.
But there are certain hints which you can utilize to get the principal amount for second year.
So, I am
Like the
getting
compound
something,
interest.
sir. Sir.
Yes.
1 second, sir.
Yes. Yes, then.
Delta.
Wait 1 second.
I'm not telling anything. Sir, we need the compound interest to find the principal in this situation, right, sir?
First, do we
Hey,
have
find it using that exact formula.
the
Yeah,
compound
PR
interest
1
for
by
second year?
100. So I don't understand.
Let's do it in an easy way. Okay. I don't say that. I don't know what happens for the compound interest on the second year. They may or may not be same. 752.64.
So they can't be the same rate. So it's not like that.
That's what. So what to do? Let's say we start with 1 rupees. Is it okay? Or
Yes,
not?
sir.
If you don't want 1 rupees, let's say X rupees. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
X rupees at 12%, how much should they give me at the end of first year?
X compound interest for plus the amount for the first year.
Amount will be
Sir,
X plus
Sir, is the
X
principal
plus compound interest or 12 by 100.
X plus 12% of X, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So can I write it as 112 by 100 into X?
Yes.
Sir, is the answer 5,519.36? Not the principal, the principal for year 2.
We'll see. So can I write the amount for the first year as 112 by 100 into X?
Wait, how can you change it into 112?
It's because the denominators are not same. We have to
LCM,
take the LCM.
100x plus 12x divided by 100. So 100x plus
Oh.
12x,
Okay.
100 plus 12 into x
Yes, sir.
divided by 100.
Yes.
This becomes 112 divided by 100 into x.
The amount for
Yes,
first year.
sir.
Amount for the first. So since this is compounded, the principal for the second year will also be the same thing.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But I know the amount for the second year. Ideally, what should happen?
Amount minus
So 12% of the amount for the principal amount for the second year should give me 6 to 70, right? For second year, should have 112 by 100x
Plus
percent of
12 by 100x.
Correct, sir. 100.
is equal to 6 to 70, isn't it?
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yes, sir.
112x.
Yeah, 6
plus-
to 7 2. Yes, correct.
No, like is. So how did you get 12 by 100 into 112 by 100x?
So this is amount, right? This is amount. This is amount.
Yes, sir.
Amount is equal to principal interest for second year.
Yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir.
I don't
Understandable?
understand how you got that.
Simple, no? How you got for the first year? X plus 12% of X, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what should be the second year amount? The principal for the second year plus 12% of that principal.
Yes, sir. But like the 12% of
understand.
X is right. But how did you get 112 by 100? So
12% not of X, 12% of the principal amount of that year.
Sir, it's coming
Sir,
1,344 by 10,000.
So I got 55,222, sir.
First of all, everybody understood this calculation.
No,
So,
sir, I don't
like,
understand the
what
Yes,
you're
sir.
basic, so what
Okay,
you're
let
basically
me-
saying is x is the principal and 12 by
Wait,
100
wait,
is
wait,
the
wait, wait.
person.
I'll clarify. Don't worry. We'll come back to this. Let me show you this thing. If this is A and this is X percentage, this is B, this is X percentage. Since B is there, B should also be here. This is C, this is C, X percentage. Is it fine? Easy to understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
sir.
Can you tell what will be B?
So B will be the starting amount of
So
second year,
this will
sir.
be A plus X% of
100.
correct?
Sorry.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I know B. What? Okay. So forget about now the first year. In the second year, what will be C?
So
C
C will be
B
B plus X by 100 percentage of B.
B.
What is B?
So
B is the
A
principal
plus
of,
X by 100, X the percentage of A.
So B is the principal, sir.
Oh,
100 of A plus X% of A. Correct?
so what about the first B, sir? B plus that one.
B is B in X by 100 percentage of B is over there. B is basically substituted.
This
Yeah.
I am writing as B plus X percentage of A plus X percentage of X percentage of A.
Sir, is the answer 5,000?
You're
That's
just telling
actually
every
not.
possible answer. That's fine.
No, no, no. Is it 5,000, sir?
Yes.
Yeah.
Which website did you use?
It's
Sir?
simple. It's simple.
Which
See,
website
do
can
you get this
calculate
much?
this complex things?
Do you get this
Google.
much?
So give me 1 second, sir. I'll just.
So what? Like, tell again?
Sir, I did very big calculations, sir.
Yes, sir. Now after this,
So do you get this much or no?
yes, sir, I got this one. Sir.
Sir,
Very good.
B is basically A plus X by 100 percentage A. So
Yeah.
so
But don't read
B
it as X
X
by 100%. Read it X% of A.
yes, X percent of A. So a B plus X by 100 per X percentage B will basically be B plus X percentage A plus X by X percentage A, right?
You're just reading everything on the board.
Like
This is written as B plus X percentage of A plus X percentage of X percentage of A.
sir, but where does the X percentage of A comes from, sir?
A
This is
multiplying
what-
X percentage, I mean X percent A B to the this thing there.
Percentage is nothing but division by 100.
Yes, sir.
You're multiplying X by 100 to the whole B. So it'll be X by 100 into A
What? Okay.
plus
See,
X by 100 into
whatever
X by
this
100.
is,
But isn't
whatever
it
this is, can you say X percentage of the shaded region?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X percentage of the shaded region. Is that okay to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes,
So
sir.
what is shaded region? X percentage of A again. So if I say X percentage of shaded region or X percentage of A, isn't it the same thing?
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes.
It's very confusing, sir.
Yes, sir.
So give me some time.
No
I'll
problem.
just think
Don't
about
worry.
it.
Don't worry.
So can
You
you go
did
to the
not-
previous one, sir?
If you did not know 6272, if you did not know 6272, how will you calculate the amount for second year that you did?
So you wrote it, no, sir. Like now you just wrote it. No, if you don't know the 6272, also you can.
So the amount for the second year is principal amount for the second year plus interest of the second year. Principal amount I know 112 by 100 into x. Interest. How do I get the interest? 12%
So
of the principal
6272
amount.
minus 112 by 100. X.
I probably shouldn't have asked to find the principal. Why does it take so long?
So this is equal to 112x by 100. 12% of 112 by 100 of x. 6 to 7. We just need to find what is
Yes,
x.
sir.
So simply we can tell this x 112 by 100 plus, or rather, to 112 by 100 plus 12 by 100, 6 to 7 2.
So is the principal in decimals?
What principle?
The
It's not in
principal of
decimals.
year one.
Not in decimal.
So how did
It
you
is
get
5,000.
x into 112 by 100?
Common from both the terms.
Oh my
Okay.
god. Okay. So
Into, okay.
So, but when you substitute it, how is it again x into 112 by 100 into 112 by 100? Sir? If you took the factor out, it will be 12 by 100 plus 1. No, so it will be 13 by 100.
Uh,
No, no, no.
LCM
It will be
there.
okay. Oh my god. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Over excited.
No, sir. Yeah, yes.
Yes and no.
Yeah.
So this is
Mobile has
equal
gone
to
invisible.
Am I?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Only see an annual.
Villa.
should come as 5.
Oh yeah, my cat. It has loose
What?
connection. I have to reconnect it.
What? I don't understand.
Sir, you did that big calculation in your
Magic.
mind? How, sir?
Frankly,
I don't
this time-
understand this witchcraft. No.
Sir, you have a note beside you.
No.
Okay, so you can
He is God himself.
56. And
This is the
50.
principal interest for the second year.
So 112 into 56 is same as 6 to 70.
Sir, it's x plus x into 12 by 100 equals 5,000, right?
No. What is
Sir,
x?
the principal. So the principal is
amount-
x. So x.
Yes. Right. The principal is x. Amount for the. It's not asking amount for first year. It is asking what is that sum of money which is
The
placed.
principal of first year.
Yes, principal for the first year. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry. Let me show you. This is what I
Yes, sir.
expected. And this is the final scenario. This time there are no numbers. Okay. So Scenario number 5. So I start with very simple. I have a situation for 5 years.
5 years.
Sir,
And
that
I
that
5
question is
years
over.
later.
The question is over.
So one second, can you show the answer? Note it down. I forgot to note it down.
If we mark out any
Wait,
other mistake, I'm
Sir,
gonna
this is
kill
the
you.
principle for year 2, sir.
I'm gonna kill
What?
you.
This is the principle for year 2.
No, sir. We finished.
No,
So this is the
Let's
principle
go
for
with
year 2. We didn't find the final principle.
No, I don't want to continue with this song.
Please, sir.
XC. This is the principle for the first year.
Oh, you solve for x, right? Okay. Never mind, sir. I'm the winner. I'm the smartest boy in class.
Not in physics though.
In chemistry, though.
Okay.
Each one of us have
You
our
wish.
talents.
Let's see. I have at the third year 10,000 rupees as the amount. Okay. The rate of interest is 10%. It's compounded annually. I want to know what is the amount at the
10,000 is for the third year, sir.
amount for the third year.
Why do
So what
you
should
What
we
is
find?
the-
The final amount?
What is the amount for the fifth year?
Why do you do this to me?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
It should be
The amount is equal to principal into rate into the year, right, sir?
no, that is simple interest.
Amount is equal to then?
Amount is principal plus
Hey.
The
interest.
amount for the first year is 110% X.
Is X.
X is the principal for the first year, sir.
That is why this scenario is there. Do you really
Sir,
need
we
to
can-
start from the first year?
Do you don't even have to find the principal.
For the
Me,
first
mother.
year.
Finding it anyways is, good.
It's not. It just wastes time, da.
Sir, how do you find the amount again? I'm gone mad.
Hey, it's principal plus compound interest.
P plus CI.
It's very simple, okay? Sankalp focus. When
Yeah.
you have the amount for the third year, in the compound interest, isn't it the principal for the fourth year?
Yes, sir.
You know that you have 10% every year. So for fourth
Yes,
year
sir.
also you have 10%.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell the amount for the fourth year?
Yes, sir. It is 1,000, sir.
What should be the amount?
No,
That is
sorry,
interest.
interest. So amount is 11,000, sir.
12,000.
Yeah,
So
11,000. The next year
since
it will be
again-
11,000 and 10% will be 12. No,
Exactly.
wait, I can do this. I can do this.
What it should be.
So 11,000 divided by 10.
Oh my God,
Uh,
sir! You told amount for the fifth year. I thought you were talking about the first year, sir.
That is what you miss. Isn't it written here? Where are your eyes?
In the first year, sir.
What is the amount for fifth year?
Sir, 13,310.
Amount
Wait,
will
what?
be
No, sir.
How
11.
dare you call me
12,100,
useless?
Ra.
Sir,
12,100.
12,100, sir. It's like calculated for 6th year. I was about to calculate it for the
I'll
7th year.
Wow. 12,100, sir. I am
I'm
below
one
you.
step.
12,100,
I'm
I'm
one cut
first.
above you, da. I found the 6th one itself.
13,100, Ra. They were wrong. Get mutta only for that.
I'm just one cut above you.
Okay, you get mutta for that.
Any one of you wants to run a bank?
A what,
Maybe,
sir?
A bank.
A band?
And when they all deposit their money, I'll run
Bank,
again.
Oh,
Do you want
wanna
to
run a bank?
Yes,
No, sir. But I want to work in a finance sector.
Very good.
The same
So,
thing, Ra.
Sir,
Why-
I
why don't
hate
you-
economics, even though I hate
Your
it.
mom
Sir,
is a-
Sankalp's mother is an economics teacher.
So he
Okay,
teaches
let's
about
start a
Rolls
bank.
Royce and everything.
Shut up,
Let's
Dad.
start a bank. And question is, which policy should I choose?
Where you can't deposit money.
No,
People
can
only
deposit
borrow.
money, can't withdraw.
Should bank?
It is named bank. It's not a bank. It's only named bank.
It's a one
which
way to
policy
get your
should
money.
the
It's a
bank-
dress store in disguise.
Shush, shush,
What's
shush.
that? Yes, sir.
So the bank should offer the compound interest one, sir.
The interest rate should be less, so they would profit more.
12%
So
annually.
the rate
Compound
the rate of
interest.
interest. So the rate of interest should be
Sankalp,
high
let him
for the
finish the question, da. Shut up.
Yeah, shut up.
hanging up.
Which policy should the bank offer? 12% annual
The
compound
same
Sir,
interest?
thing, sir.
12% annually. No,
Sir,
12%
12%
annually is
annually.
more
Half
profitable
yearly.
for the bank.
Yes, sir.
12% annually is more profitable for the bank.
Yes,
Because
sir.
when you
Yes, sir.
compound it half yearly, it's like a 6% is added and you're basically
isn't it-
calculating 6% extra of the first.
Yes,
See,
sir.
for 6 months, 6%, another
I
6
agree with
months,
Komal.
another 6%, so 12%.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it balanced?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, it's
Agree
not.
with Konguvel.
Who do you vote for?
Sir, the
Me,
first
I
one, sir.
mean, the
Sure.
Who works for you
Sir.
these days?
Like, are you asking in which policy the bank will make more profit?
Of course, bank will ask from their point of view. Wherever they
Okay,
have
sir.
more profit, that policy they will offer.
12% annually, sir.
6%. No,
Sir,
it's
some
6%
dumb
half
people
yearly.
will look and then they'll think it's the same and then they'll invest, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
how bank
No,
makes
sir,
money.
that's a Komal thing.
people like
6%
Tarun.
half yearly, sir.
Yeah, they.
Sir,
So
6%
wait,
I
I'll do
have-
some
half yearly.
calculations and see.
12% or 6% plus 6%.
Sir, it's 6% plus 6. That's more profitable for the bank.
That's the question. So which one
Not
do you
the
think?
same, but sir, 6% plus 6%. I mean,
6%
Sir,
plus
in the
6%.
second policy, you'll get ₹3 annually if you invest 100 rupees.
Mhm.
Let me do for the other one.
So if you can answer this, I can trust you with the money. Otherwise, nobody is going to give you some money to invest.
Sir, I think I was wrong.
that's what I'm
I
saying.
think-
6% is better.
Sir, one
Sir.
second, sir. Sir, take take
Yes,
a poll,
sir.
sir. Whoever whatever they get the answer, you have to write in there.
I said for 6%.
No one cares.
So if you
You
are
only
answering
asked for a poll.
that this policy or that policy, you should give the reason. Why is that so?
Wait, this
Why
polling option
the
in
Sir,
this.
first
sir. Like
Sir.
shut up.
Taran, what about you? Taran, are you there?
Probably not. He's not there, sir. Oh my god, he unmuted. Tarun, if you
One
can
small
hear us.
button,
percent every
Wait.
1/2 of a year,
one
sir.
small button, a big step for mankind.
So funny, I forgot to laugh.
Why do you say that every time now?
Shouldn't
Because
trust
your
you with
jokes are
money,
like that, Ra.
Wait, no,
I shouldn't-
Kunal, you're right.
Damn.
right?
Sir, can you
Ah,
hear me?
I shouldn't trust.
Sir, can you hear me?
3%
Sir,
Yes,
you
sir.
can.
more in. No,
Sir,
you
Yes,
get.
sir.
if you.
So
Sir,
you get 12
6%
rupees
of
if
yearly is.
Sir,
Sir,
sorry,
I
sir.
go
Why
with
did you podcast?
12%, sir. I
See,
go with
You
12%.
get
two,
12
sir.
rupees
I
if you
changed my
invest.
option.
Yeah,
You
you
get 3 rupees if you interest in 6%, 12 rupees if you interest in
Yeah,
12%.
6%
So
is
I
more
accept with
profitable
you.
for the bank. 6% is
Yeah,
profitable for the bank.
6% is
That's
more
what I said,
profitable for the
I'll
bank.
slap you.
Even
Hey,
double,
you
even
said
I'm
12%,
saying.
Ra.
Now
I said 12%
yeah, I said
is
12%.
not.
Hey, liar,
Yo,
sometimes
pa, day,
liar.
liar,
Actually,
day.
I'm. It's
Sometimes
not.
such a big liar.
You
I
said you vote for
6% from the
me.
start.
No, wait. He said he votes for
Silence,
me,
please.
and I said 12.
Silence, please. Excuse me.
Sir, it's 6%,
Sir,
sir.
can you hear me?
See,
Yes, sir.
when you go with 6%, you go with
Sankal,
1/2.
silence, please.
It's not fair.
Sir. Here, Tarun.
Tarun, send something in the chat if you can hear us.
We can't. Are you crying, Uncle?
I'm laughing there.
Why are you lying in this?
How many go for the first policy?
So second, I'm going for second, sir.
I'm going for second, sir.
So the investors go for the first policy, sir.
So the bank goes for
The
the second
bankers
policy.
go for the second option, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second option, right? Okay, let's
Yes,
see.
sir. It's
Let's
more
see.
profitable.
Let's see how it is. So if I started with 1,000
100 rupees. Oh, 1,000? Oh, 10,000? Okay.
So 10,000,
I
12%
simply
will
took
mean
10 rupees, sir.
I took 100.
anything, whichever. Okay, let's say 100 rupees.
Yeah, agree with me.
So 12% will give you
Sir,
what?
may I change my answer, sir? Sir, 6% is less profitable for the bank, sir.
Oh,
100
I feel
rupees at
12% is more.
12% will give us
No, sir.
12
I
rupees.
strongly don't agree with Kongwil.
6% will
strongly
give
don't agree.
100.
Oh,
Disagree.
6%
take that.
will be 106.
Yeah, see, 6% is more profitable.
The bank.
LOL. Ha!
Sir, I didn't know these two were combined, sir. I thought they were different policies, sir.
See, bank gets less profit if it's 6%.
How?
See,
Oh my god, it got
you have to be smart like
36
me.
spices, sir.
See the difference?
What? I don't understand.
I am the winner. Chicken dinner.
The banks should offer
Sir, I don't
second
understand.
policy. What you didn't understand?
Sir, but like, if how did you get 106, sir? How you got 103, sir?
6% of 106.
This is half yearly, brother. Half yearly means what?
Sir,
6 months.
1/2, sir.
Sir, but you forgot to do one thing, sir. Half yearly means it should be 1 into 1/2, sir, not 1.
Yeah, that's
Do that, you will get
what I
106.
understood. That's why I
Uncle, stop making it complicated.
How, sir? Like one.
Percent for
So someone is controlling my mouse, sir. One second. I can't click anything.
So it will become 3, right, sir? How will it become
Yeah,
6?
that's what I also got.
So let's 100 into 6 by 100 into 1 by 2. 0, 0 cancel from the 100 and 100. It will become 1 into 6 into 1 by 2. So 1 into 6 is basically 6. 6 into 1 by 2 is 3, right, sir? What?
6% of
What is my mouse doing?
It's gonna click leave meeting.
I can't do anything.
what is
It goes to the-
6%?
it goes to the back.
half-yearly
Yes, sir.
percent half yearly. So I am doing for 6 months 6%.
Yes, sir.
I'm not saying 6% for 1 month and compound it. Yes, yes,
Sir,
please.
left. Yes, sir.
Understandable.
Sir, your video is lagging a lot, sir. Sir, your
Is
video is
understandable.
lagging, sir.
Is this understandable?
Sir, you didn't say anything, sir. Your voice
Okay.
and your video is lagging.
Yes, sir.
Sir, click the leave button, sir. So click the cross. Sir.
Yeah.
Click the cross, sir. The tab closed.
Next, it goes to the bank account, types the password.
Okay, stop. That sir is trying to teach us.
Sir, we can't hear you, sir. Your video is lagging.
I don't want to speak to you.
It's not me, sir. These guys are non-stop talking, sir.
Sorry, sir.
All right then. See you next class.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, but like you have to do 100 into 6 by 100 2 times, right, sir? Then just add it. We have to consider 6% half yearly as like 6% for 2 years, right, sir? For the calculation.
This vertical span represents 1 year.
Yes, sir.
Everything is between the words. Percent
Okay, so
half-yearly compound.
for the sake of calculation, we have to consider it as like 2 terms, right, sir? We have to do it.
We just compare what is the end result of 1 year. That's it.
Sir, I still don't understand why 6% should not be preferred by banks, sir.
We preferred 6% half-yearly compound. Because in this, when a person invests 100 rupees in the second policy, they have to return 112 plus 36 paise. compared
Yes,
to
sir, but
the second policy. So this will be preferred by bank.
Yeah, sir, that's what we said.
I did not say anything. Did I say no or yes?
We said 6% was preferred
sir,
by
we
bank.
6% should be
No.
preferred by bank.
No,
Because
12%.
banks see more profit.
Sir, 12% should be preferred, sir. Sir, if you do it 6%, it's 112.36.
So
So the bank should prefer 12%, right, sir?
who is investing 100 rupees, bank or person?
Person.
So person will be in loss when gives you more interest, and bank will be in profit
Sir,
when it
bank
receives
will.
more interest.
Oh, I thought you like bank account. They're giving interest for the bank account, sir. I didn't know you're taking a loan.
To make more profit.
Okay, sir. I thought like I didn't know he was taking the loan, sir. I thought like bank is offering the interest for the balance in their account. In that case, 12% is correct, right, sir?
Could be.
B.
See, this is the one where person is investing 100 rupees in the bank.
Yes, sir. He's
But
putting
then
100 rupees in his bank account.
it is taking loan.
Oh, I thought
Can
he
you
was
just
putting it in
do,
his
sir,
bank account, sir.
sir, can
100
you
Because
just
rupees
like
do
is
the
the
full
loan.
sir, can you just do the full calculation of the second option, sir?
Is there, no?
Sir, can you do the full calculation for both the 6%?
What more you want?
Sankalp,
Yes.
they come on. Use your common sense. See, if you can do 1/2, if it's interest 6% per annum, and they're providing that interest half yearly, but the interest itself is half yearly.
I will show you what are
Okay.
the differences. Okay. See. One is interest is given half yearly.
The interest is 6 PA.
Here, interest is given
After 1 year.
yearly. Okay. If interest is given half yearly, what is the rate? That is 6%. Are you calculating half yearly or annually? That makes the difference. Your interest is paid yearly. What is the rate of interest? Are you calculating half yearly or yearly? That matters.
Yes, sir.
The language of the question is very important. That is what happens.
Sankalp, do you get it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyways, we will see more things in next class.
Okay, sir.
In
Thank you,
next
sir.
class,
Bye.
you won't have to make these vertical stands. There will be better things to represent.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir, do we have a class
Okay.
tomorrow?
Yeah, I hope so. I think so.
Okay. Okay, sir. We have class on Friday too.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye,
All
sir.
right then.